Our process involves several steps. We arrive at a customer's home, we first ask for permission if we can park in their driveway. Once we've got that settled, we try to park as close to the door we're going to be servicing the carpet cleaning through. Once we're into the home, we have the customer guide us through the home and point out the areas of concerns, and they tell us where they want us to clean the carpets, which areas, and we proceed to measure the rooms that we're cleaning, and we always give our customers a firm price before we start cleaning. Once we agree that we're going to be able to do the job and help them get their carpets clean, then we start setting up the truck. First thing we do is bring in a runner that we roll out at their front door to protect the flooring at the front door. Then we bring in corner guards to set up along the corners where we're going to be running our hoses into their home to protect the corners from being scratched. Once we set up the hoses and we bring in our cleaning tools, we start the truck up, we secure the front door, close it as much as possible, and we start at the furthest point of the way from the truck, and we work our way backwards. As we clean the rooms, we pre-spot any concerned areas. We rinse out those areas. As we finish a room, we will block or tab any furniture that we moved to protect the legs from staining the carpet as it dries. After we do that, we use a grooming rake to groom the carpet and hopefully make it look as good as it did when it was first installed. We move from room to room and finally going, if it has stairs, down the stairs, cleaning the stairs last. We take our equipment, put it back outside the front door. We ask the customer to walk through with us as we give them the plastic waterproof booties. And if they approve the work, then we collect our fee and we thank them very much and we go on to the next job.